When you are cuddling up with your significant other, is his beard all bristly and scratchy? Then do him a favor, and you, by making him some beard oil. It'll be nice and soft for you to cuddle up with, and it'll be very healthy and beneficial to his skin as well. If you want to find out how to make it, stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations.
Today I'm going to be doing another beard oil. It's a different recipe, and I'm going to show you what is in the base of the beard oil, and then I will do 3 different combinations with the essential oils so you can know what the benefits are for some of those essential oils. The first thing that I am going to add is 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Now, castor oil is a skin moisturizer. It stimulates hair growth. It is also antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial. So you won't be getting any germs by using this. And we'll just dump that in the glass. And then next, we're going to be using a tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil is a skin conditioner, and it helps the pH balance, which is always important, and it also helps promote hair growth. So if you're having a hard time growing your beard, this will help it grow a little bit better. And then we're going to use about a half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. And we're going to use about a half a teaspoon of that. And it is an antioxidant. And we're going to dump that in there. It's a little thick. And then we'll just go ahead and stir it up with our whisk. Now with the vitamin E oil and the castor oil, it will make it a little bit thicker, so it will stay in your beard a little bit better as you're running it through. So we are going to be adding 30 to 40 drops of essential oil. And they all have good qualities for taking care of your beard as well. The first one we're going to use is going to be peppermint essential oil. Peppermint promotes hair growth during the growing phase. And we're going to add 10 drops of peppermint oil. And then lavender helps speed up the hair growth. So not only with the peppermint it's going to grow the hair, lavender it's going to speed up the hair growth. And I'm going to use 10 drops of that. And then the tea tree oil is really good for the health of your beard. It is an antibacterial, it unplugs the hair follicles, and it also stimulates hair growth. And we're going to use 10 drops of that. Now, beard oil is good for the beard, but it's also good for the skin underneath. Because your beard is growing over your chin, it's not being able to breathe as well, and the natural oils in your skin is also trying to take care of the beard as well, so your skin can become dry. So it is important when you put the beard oil in that you also massage your chin to get the benefits of this. Now I'm stirring everything up, and that's all that goes into this one. So we're going to take a 1 ounce dropper bottle, and the best thing to do is either have a cobalt blue one or an amber color one to keep out the sunlight, because you don't want it to the sun to damage your beard oil. And then I have a little funnel here that I'm going to put in my dropper bottle so I can pour this in. Almost full. Hopefully I'll get it all in. And I'm going to call it good. I got a little bit left over, but not much. And then you put the dropper on and just shake it up. Get everything all incorporated together. And there is your woodsy smelling beard oil. For the next one, I already have the base mixed up, which is 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Now for the essential oils, I'm going to be using peppermint, clary sage, and lemongrass. Now if you remember, the peppermint promotes hair growth during the growing phase, and we're going to use 10 drops of peppermint. Actually, I'm going to do 15, so I'll add 5 more. Now for the clary sage, that is good for hair growth and hair strength. So it will reduce the amount of breakage in your beard. And I'm going to do 15 drops of that. And it's a thicker one, it's going to take longer to come out. Okay. And then last, I'm going to use 5 drops of lemongrass. Lemongrass has a really strong odor that I'm not fond of, so a little bit goes a long way, so I'm only going to use 5 for that. And lemongrass, it reduces the dandruff, and therefore it reduces itchy skin. So we'll do 5 of that. And we'll stir that all up. Get a 1 ounce blue dropper bottle. Get the funnel and pour that in. And then you take it and shake it up to incorporate everything all together. And this one has more, to my notion, smells kind of like lemon pledge. The lemongrass took over a little bit. That's why I only added the 5 drops. But maybe once it's incorporated, it won't be as bad. And for the last one, I already have my base put in here, the 2 tablespoons of castor oil, the 1 tablespoon of almond oil, and the 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. And for my essential oils, I am going to add 15 drops of pine needles. And pine reduces the beard itch, so that will also help with the dandruff and the itchy skin. Okay, 15 drops of pine needles. And 15 drops of rosemary. And rosemary is good for the thickness and hair growth. So we'll do 15 drops of that. And stir that up. Has a different type of smell. I think I'm going to add a little bit more pine. I'll do another 5. It smells just like rosemary, and I want a combination of the 2. Okay, that smells a lot better. All right, we're going to get our 1 ounce cobalt blue dropper bottle, our funnel, and we're going to just go ahead and pour that in the funnel, holding it up a little bit so I can see it a lot better so I won't spill it. One thing you can say about me, I'm not a very neat person. I am making a mess. And you put your dropper in. And this is kind of like a manly smell. Maybe I could call it mountain beard oil or something. And there you have it, 3 different ways to make beard oil using the same base. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you use it on a beard. I don't have a beard, so Edgar decided he would come in and join us and help us out. So what you want to do is you just take your little dropper put it in the bottle, put a little bit on your hand. It will be like anywhere from the size of a nickel to a quarter, depending on how big a beard you have. And then you just rub it all together like this. And I'm going to wipe it off because I'm not really going to get up on his fake beard there. But you go up under your beard and you start to massage under the beard. That way it'll get the dry skin. And then after you do that, then you can go ahead and go through and comb through your beard from the underside. Then you can go like this with whatever's left. And then your skin will feel soft and smooth, and your beard will smell good, and it'll also be more manageable, and it'll also feel nice and smooth. I'm going to be using peppermint, lavender, and tea tree for this recipe. And peppermint is good to promote hair growth during the growing period. And I'm going to add and I overflowed it. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notices of my upcoming videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, doesn't matter. Comments and suggestions are welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.